the two forms of oxygen found in the atmosphere are. So let's talk about it. Again, we have this Earth, and over the Earth, let's see, in the Earth's atmosphere, we will find oxygen blanket, right? The air blanket, which consists of 21% of oxygen. Then, as you move above, I'm so sorry, in the stratosphere, as you move above, there's one layer of the atmosphere which is stratosphere, and in this stratosphere you will find that oxygen, here you can say their oxygen will react with elemental oxygen to form another substance which is O3, and this O3 is nothing but ozone. How is this ozone formed? Let's see that there's sun, and along with the sun there are UV rays coming in. Okay, so when oxygen meets up with the UV rays, what will happen? These UV rays will help act as a lightning source and a lot of energy. Because of that, oxygen will split into elemental oxygen, or you can say oxygen radical. Okay, but as you can see that the single monoatomic oxygen is very unstable. It wants to form a relationship. So then these elemental oxygen again forms a relationship, forms a bond with the diatomic oxygen to form the triatomic molecule, which is known as ozone. And this is present in the stratosphere. So stratosphere is also a part of atmosphere. So you can say that oxygen is present in the form of oxygen gas that helps us to respire, and it is present in the form of ozone that protects us. This protects us from harmful UV radiations. Okay, so the correct answer would be ozone and oxygen, option C.